What's going on, guys? Antonio X Carter here, showing you how to properly track your sales with ClickMagick, because I recently just logged a sale, as you see here, $219.80, and it has not registered on ClickMagick. Now, if you've been following along with me, I've been doing I guess you could say, case study, and I'm on day like number 8, 9 or something like that. And I built a campaign from scratch up to getting my first sale. And that first sale was the one which you just saw on the previous page, $219, promoting a product. So if you're interested in learning the process from A to Z, where I built campaigns from scratch, from zero, and show you how to get your first commissions, I'm trying to get up to $1,000 per month, or at least within a month, and showing you the exact things that you need to do so that you can also get those type of results. Please hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up on under the video, and also drop me some comments down below. So right now, because that sale has not registered within ClickMagick and Clickbank, it means the two are not talking for some reason. So what I'm going to do is go to my Clickbank account, and I'm going to go to account settings. Vendor settings, actually. I'm going to go to my site. And as I scroll, I do see that under advanced tools, it's called an instant notification URL, that is there. However, I do notice that under integrated sales reporting, I do not have a tracking tool or a tracking link there. And all that does, pretty much on any website, when it comes to tracking clicks and stuff within ClickMagick, it gives you what's called a pixel. You put the pixel on the website where you're trying to track the clicks. If I was to go ahead and click this, it gives me all the information, since I'm using Bing ads, all the information I need as far as the clicks and the keywords. But if you see the columns, it says TC, UC, FC, and A. UC stands for unique clicks, which means that's the individual amount of people that have clicked on your link. TC is total clicks, so one person could have clicked that link more than once, which is why that number is higher. Filtered clicks, FC, is like the amount of bad clicks that has been removed. And then A stands for action. And so in my case, I want to create an action or a tag or a result, conversion, whatever you want to call it, because to go from my link to a specific page, for me, it's after somebody has put in their email address to that page and have gone to the next page. I consider that an action. I've had 48 opt-ins for this particular one. Brings me at 22.9%, which is below industry standard. So I would have to either change my ad or my page or something, but that's not what this video is for. If you look over, you see the S. There's no sales there because I haven't tracked sales. So what we are tracking, where it says BioFit Challenge on the left-hand side, I should, under the S column, I should be logging a 1. And the reason this is so imperative is because I need to know whenever there's a sale made, I need to know what word is converting as a sale. But right now I don't. I just know that I made money on Clickbank, and I can't really effectively optimize, which is okay. I'm still in profit, by the way. So what we're going to do is go up to help, and then, is it help? I'm looking for knowledge base. Okay, help desk. Knowledge base. And then I'm going to say track Clickbank sales. How do I track Order impressions, conversions. I want sales. Let's just go here. Going all over the place because it didn't say the word Clickbank. So you have your different ad networks here, your platforms, and you can select whichever one that you're trying to use. So this is the original way. This is what I told you about earlier. But for whatever reason, this way is not working. And so what I'm going to do is go back here, press enter again, and go to order form impressions. We want tracking links. And it's practically the same type of instructions, except we're going to copy this code. Add tracking. Choose tracking pixel. Add. Drop the URL that we just copied from ClickMagick in there. I'm tracking as an affiliate, not a vendor. And I want both order forms and confirmation pages. Now, one of the things that it wants you to do, where it says product title, they want you to type ref. And when I say they, I mean ClickMagick. And we're going to hit save. Now, I need to hit the play button. And we should be good. So, I'm going to run some traffic to this thing, and we're going to see, I'm going to add some more money onto my campaigns, and we're going to see how this works. So essentially that's pretty much it. Now I should be getting information for both order form links and clicks, and also sales. It's going to, I believe it should go in the action column and the sales column once people begin to make traction on both of those. So I want to be able to track clicks. I want to be able to track when somebody hits my order form and leaves and doesn't purchase. And then I also want to track those who actually make sales. Hopefully that all makes sense. You know, again, hit the subscribe button if this is the type of content that you like. I can make more content like this. Once you hit the subscribe button, the bell icon will appear. Go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I create more of this content. With the sun in my face like this, I don't know why I'm recording this video like this right now. But if I don't record it now, I'm not going to record it for you guys. Give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, I got a free Bing ads. Make your first commission. Hit your first $100, your first $1,000. A lot of these things that I'm teaching you, I'm teaching in a free 5-day Bing ads challenge. So it's free. If you guys want to walk along with me, this is the time to do it without being charged anything. If you want more advanced steps so that you can get up to $3,500 per week, that link is also down below in the description. Lastly, if you're also interested in things outside of Bing ads, other types of affiliate marketing, my number one system, my number one recommended system is also down below in the description of the box. Okay? We'll get up with you guys later.